alright, Ben? Yeah, so total shift up and back, so on about half hour maybe. Is that alright? I've got to go right now. Black lug, tick with a bit of squid. Bit of squid on one, bit of mackerel on the other. I'll do it quick now. Hey. A bit of baiting now. Well, I know it's not the best angle on them at the moment. I just figured we'd give you something to look at for a little bit. That's it. They're out there. So let's battle commence. Let's hope we can winkle one or two out. Well, back to the beach, people. It's been a few weeks since I've done any beach fishing. I've been out with the lures and everything. We haven't had much success with that, but you know, there's been a few occurrences and stuff. As soon as I catch something on the lures, I'll put a lure video out with all that sort of stuff in it. But until then, we're just struggling on by. So, but yeah, we're out here for the evening. High tide's around 10 o'clock. It's currently 6:45. So yeah, we plan to fish up to high and just over maybe. Hopefully there's a few bass about. Schoolies more than likely, you might see early smooth-hound pup, something like that. And you never know, a dab at any flatty could turn up. And I'll put some fishy baits on later with the hope of a ray. So we do get them down here. I have caught them myself down here. So we will have a go. But I'll bring it back on the hand. Cheers, people. That looked like a bite, that. There's a lot of weed about. I can see that I've got weed all on the line already. I'll get them rod tips out a bit higher, eh? Fair bit of weed out there, so we'll see how it goes. We'll keep plodding on anyway, but we'll get through it. Still getting weeded out, people, but we're just having a bait change. We got a bit of sand here on that, both hooks. Just switched over to a gripper. Hopefully it'll hold them lines up and keep out of this bit of weed. Fish. Hopefully any time now we'll start seeing a bite or two of any of that. Come on. say that although I've got them rods up so high and that line is going quite a way out, I can still see where it's entering the water, it's picking up weed. So, just hoping it does one. Hopefully it will clear off, with any luck, touch wood. Well, I'm pleased to say that we've cleared up a bit now, and we've just got a little dirty dog to save a blank. Happy days. Happy with that. Down a small bit of sand hill. No, we cannot grumble. Nice small little doggy. We'll settle for that all day long. We ain't seen a fish in a long while. Cheers, mate. Nothing but weed. Not as bad as it was though, so tide's just about to drop, so hopefully we'll bump into a few fish. Hopefully a few bass will be about, any luck. But we'll find out and I'll bring you back. Oh, big bit of squid going out on that one. Freshly caught from Weymouth. If you ain't seen that video, go check it out. A big old doggy that. Had a few knocks on it a while ago and nothing come of it, but obviously he was just sat on there. So old chunk of squid. Happy days. Net that bait. Probably can all got both hooks in the shot. He didn't like that. Some gnashers on there. Doggy number 2, we've been here a fair old while, mind now. Been on the phone chatting to people and stuff. It's just gone 11. That is half decent doggy. I'll bring it back for now. Another doggy. Well, actually, I think it's a husky, to be honest. And the size of them generally, they're just that. Three doggies, I'm happy with that. Lovely little fish. Happy with that, people. I know they're only doggies, plus whatever it is, I will check. Yeah, cuttlefish, you know, come out fishing, caught fish, can't grumble, eh? You know, not always most desired species out there, but sometimes we're just happy to catch them. I certainly am. So, brilliant. I'll bring it back to you. Nothing like that down rod. Hello. Yeah, you alright then? Yeah, it's totally 6 foot back, so I'm about half hour maybe. Is that alright? I've got to go, babe. I've got to go right now. First hound of the year, only a pup. Give that rod a good bend, eh? Just a job. Happy with that. Good to see they're coming in. He's a lovely one. Lovely little spots on him. Yeah, great stuff. I thought he was a bit bigger, had a bit of weed on me, but he pulled back, so that's good. come back in on that baby sod. That's it, get on with it. Getting out there. Still coming in, but here he is, that bloody idiot. Get on. Have to launch you, mate. We tried to be gentle. Got to keep an eye on them buggers, they'll just swim straight in every time. Sight him over there. He's just gone back out. See his eyes on top of the water. Right, hopefully he's gone. We'll keep an eye on it. Tide's definitely dropping out now. Great stuff, people. Little hound. We can't grumble at that. We've had 3 doggies and a hound, so it's 12 o'clock. The tide's still just dropping. It's that last part of it. I'm going to give it another half hour or so, and hopefully we can catch another one. I'll bring you back. Right, people, that's it. We brought one rod in. We've weeded right out on that one. We've got this one out there still. We're just about to bring that one in. Water's dropped out. We've had a few fish tonight. We can't grumble at that. We had a few doggies and the hound, so only a pup, but still nice to see a summer species. The first off for me so far. So yeah, all's great. It's been a good evening. Thoroughly enjoyed it myself. We come fishing, we caught fish, so yeah, that's all great. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for all the support on the last couple of videos, it's most appreciated. Any new subscribers, thank you. Hopefully there'll be a lot more content over the next few months as the weather's picking up and the fishing around here is slowly getting better, and these summer species won't be far away, I'm sure. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Keep on keeping on, people. Cheers.